Today I'm gonna show how to use Amplify Storage. Uh, so behind Amplify Storage is S3 buckets, and we can upload files, download file, list files, and let me jump in the code and do it. I can leave it here. Okay, so let me create a new project. It empty here. Okay, so I will npx create next app in TypeScript. So I create a new web app in Next.js and then use Amplify to upload images to S3 and download and list and view images. So play around with the Amplify SDK. So I'm using Chakra UI for the front end and Amplify for the back end. So let's install dependency. And at the same time, I will configure Amplify project. So Amplify init. Yeah. Okay. But first, let me set my region in US West 2, and then init. Yes. So just default configuration. Okay, so now Amplify start initializing the backend in AWS. Let me show here. Yeah, it's Amplify Storage. It's start the new app, and I can show CloudFormation. So it's pretty convenient to use Amplify CLI because we can configure, we can create the backend services right from our terminals. It's convenient. So I come back by yeah. Uh, no. Let's see. Okay. I add auth. I add both authentication service and storage. We need to add auth before we can use storage. Default emails. No, I'm done. Amplify add storage. Okay. I want both the authenticated user and guest users can upload download images to S3 bucket. So that's it. So here I'm gonna check for authenticated user. You can create, you can read, and then also for the get users, you can create, you can read, and no lambda. So now I'm push. Okay, so I describe what I want, and now I push, and then Amplify deploy what I want via CloudFormation. Yes, so that's it. That's our backend, and we after a few minutes the backend service is ready for us. Now we can start coding. So let me shrink it a bit and open the front end. Okay. Okay. This is the default front end. So let me edit it. So I'm gonna load Chakra UI. So let me show you the backend config. So these export.aws export.js files now it's empty. So this file is generated by Amplify CLI. Now the Amplify CLI is still deploying the backend. When it finished, we'll get all the backend configuration in here, so we can load the config and use it. Okay, so let me sorry, I need to okay. Okay, so that's it. We have config amplify, we have config chakra UI, and the fund looks changed a bit. So now we need to prepare several components. Yeah, and the backend is ready for us with all the parameters. Let me open index, and I delete the default. So in here I will make several components. I will have an let me check box from so it just now just as a placeholders. But first I want to view an image, so I want an image viewer, and then I want another one is the upload button, upload form. And another one is a list images. So that is those component I want to make. And let me come back the project structure. So in here I gonna make component, and I need and also I gonna make service. Okay, so in the component I have the upload form. So let me copy paste my upload form. So I have already prepared it. It's basically a upload form, so you can select a files, and when you click it upload to S3. So the key thing in here is the process file function. So I pass the process file function int. The process file function will use amplify storage to upload it. Let me check the yeah. Okay, I come back this later on. So I in the service I will make that, and so in the services I make the file called storage. So I implement several functions in here using Amplify SDK. The first one is upload a file to S3. So we just go await upload. and we can pass checking the upload progress, and we set it to a state values, and we also can get object. So the important in here is it will get the site URL of object, and then given the site URLs, I can display videos, images, and files. And also I can list images, I can list the object in a specific prefix. Yeah, so this is the most important component, the storage service. So we got the upload form, the storage service. Let me check. So now let me come back the main here and implement it. So let me copy my list of image because it's pretty long, so I just copy. I need to import the flex button and the get object. Okay, so what is a list images? So I want to list all the images I have uploaded, and then I display it. I display in terms of a list, so I just map all the images and each of them into a flex with text and button, and when I click the button I will download. Actually I will not download, but I view. Okay, so that's it. That is the first component, list images. Let me check the second is I want to have I want to view images, so the second one is view images. So let me import image from here, Chakra UI. Okay, so when I got the site URL, S3 site URL, I can display the images in a view images. Okay, so now in the home, I will, for the display images, I will have images URL and set image URL, use state, type strings, and that's it. So one variable for image URL, and one is a list of images, and then I make a function list the images storage dot list and the prefix I list the whole bucket, and then result. Okay, we got the key, so when we list, it will return a array, and each of them have a key, the key of the object. So result dot map, and then I set the images to this key array. So that's it. And then use effect, list all the images. Okay, and I can console.log to show key. Okay, that's it. And now let me check the main. So in the main, I will The first one is the view images with image URL equal to image URL. The second one is the upload form. Yeah, for upload images to S3. And the process function is upload to S3 and set images. And the last one is the list images, and we have images. Okay, let me check this. And let me format it a bit in kind of columns. So that's it. And now I will let's say I want to upload an image, and let's see, let's say I have this image. I choose this image, I upload. Okay, after we upload, let me refresh it, and I show you the S3 bucket in here. So let me show you where it is the image is uploaded. So we choose the newest one, this one. So inside public, so our image is uploaded here. And then let me come back. So I choose, so I choose views. So that's I think the front end has some error. Let me check the flag is a max width. Okay, so it looks a bit better. We can choose another image, for example event bridge, and upload. So that's it. I can choose more. Now it looks better. Another image hosting, for example, upload. Okay, and in here we see that we got 3 image. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.